So we're at the National Hardware Show, and I wanted to show you this. This is a cold welding system from Pegatanke. This is a two-part epoxy system. They've got the little canisters right there, just some sample ones in here. But what it is you mix the two parts together, and then you can adhere things. You can glue, you can repair, what have you. Now you're seeing there's different colors here, and these different colors are for some different purposes than obviously the color. You've got a clear version here, and it has the big thing is the heat resistant. The heat resistance on this one can go up to about 900 and some degrees, and it has a 1,500 pound hold weight. We get into the white one here. It's got a little less hold weight at 400 and some pounds, and it's a little less with the fire retardant, but it's white. So if you have a project where you need white, you've got it. They've got a black version that gets back up into the higher numbers when in heat and adhesion, or a gray, I should say. And then they've got the black one here that's going to be closer to what the white was, but a variety of different colors, two-part system, and once it's there and put together, that gentleman is sitting on a little swing, and right there you can see that is, he's pointing right there, that's the little piece that they have used that epoxy to create that joint there, that little union, and he hasn't fallen all day. So just a really cool little system for adhesion, and you can go and check that out online. We'll put a link in the description below, but this is something new that anyone will be able to use to fix some really hard to fix things around your household.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.